Hey guys, so today I'm gonna unbox this Apple Watch SE, which is in 44mm and it's a 2023 model, and it is my birthday gift as well. So I'm gonna unbox this one, guys. So let's start. Okay. Wow, it's so pretty, guys, and I love the packaging, and it has a lot of watches out there in the packaging as well, guys, which is awesome. So inside you can see this Apple Watch box again, and there is this beautiful Apple Watch picture here. So I'm gonna open this. So there are two boxes here, guys, and I think one is for the band. So I got it in the starlight color. And first of all, let's open the Apple Watch. Yay! So it's lovely, guys, and here we go. There is the beautiful Apple Watch SE here. Yeah, this is so nice. And so guys, this is available in rose gold as well as black, but I got in silver because I like silver. And this is so amazing, and it goes with like all of the bands and matches with every colors. So this is the Apple Watch. And here we have the wireless charger, guys. So you can charge with this wireless charger, and which is also so amazing. And here's a picture shown like how you can charge this Apple Watch here. And finally we have the band. So I'm gonna unbox the band, guys. Wow, it's so amazing. So here I took the band out, and here we go. And now I'm gonna fit this one in the Apple Watch. So this is in the medium or large size. So here you can see medium and large size here, and I'll fix this with the Apple Watch now. So all you have to do is you have to fix this from the two sides like that. It's pretty easy, and it looks so cool and so much like classy in this starlight color, guys. It's all done and the Apple Watch is ready to go. So I'm just gonna start it. And so I have opened this one, and I would have to connect this one with my mobile, and it's all done. So I have to set up the language here. So you can choose English here, and then the country where I am, where I live, and then select the language. And then we have to pair this one with the Apple phone, and it is ready to go. So guys, this is a really nice watch, Apple Watch SE, and I really love it. This is it, guys. This is the Apple Watch, and yep, that's it. It's an unboxing video of the Apple Watch, and I really hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching.